Hello guys, let's see what's happening between you and your person right now. What is the situation? So we got some regret, repression of the emotions here. Someone is repressing their emotions, and now, or this is something that happened in the past. Yeah, this is your divine masculine here. This person is regretting that they didn't put the effort into, they didn't take the leap. They didn't want to leave the comfort zone. Now they're really feeling regret because of all the stuck emotions that they got inside them. Yeah, they were having doubts. There definitely needs to be healing. This person thought that this is just lust thing, but they're definitely lusting for you. They do not know, this person doesn't know how to deal with that intense emotions. What else? Yeah, comfort zone is coming up. This person needed to really awaken to remember who you are. This person has a lot of insecurities, so self-doubt and I would say lack of action in what they want, getting what they want. Yeah, you probably detached from this person. You thought that this person was that this was some kind of a temptation, that they wanted to control you. There was really a lot of suffering in the past because of this person for you. So what about now? There is some kind of facade that this person is having, but we have rebirth here. So the things are changing. There could be the offer that is coming. We got a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here. The offer of the new stability. There is transformation here. So it's definitely feeling that the situation is going on the better side. This person is healing.